going up through the national park here, and the colors, if you can see them on here, it's raining and you'll see the windshield wipers once in a while, but the yellows are really pretty. And we've seen some red, but mostly yellows, I think. Seen some red, didn't we, Betty?
Yellows, browns, and greens, different shades of them. And yes, there's just enough reds mixed in with them up on the mountains. That just makes it look real pretty. See it, it's not wise to do it while filming while you're
Well, I
driving.
guess it's wise to do this while you're driving. So that's why I'm
Doing it while you're driving.
that's the only way I can get it. Had our little picnic back there at the chimneys. Started raining on us a little bit, but not a lot. We made it just fine. It was right pretty. Now some more yellows up here. That's pretty.
Man, you're getting wet.
Man, it's gonna get wet out there. She don't care. You don't care, I don't care. I thought the battery was about down on this thing, but it's doing pretty good.